Hey everyone, welcome to Sheebas Cookery World. In today's video, we will see the recipe of Veg Manchurian Gravy. It is an excellent side dish for any kind of fried rice or noodles. If you have missed watching the egg fried rice recipe that I posted last week, do check out the link in the description box below. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. Let's begin by finely chopping the vegetables for this recipe. So in goes some cabbage, some carrot pieces, a small onion, some French beans. I'm using a chopper for this. You can also cut them finely on a chopping board. Now the vegetables are all finely chopped. I'm going to transfer that into a bowl. Next, we will add in some salt as per taste, black pepper powder, some ginger garlic paste, some red chilli sauce. I will also add in some Maida or all-purpose flour and some cornstarch. Now we will combine all of the ingredients well. If the mixture is a bit watery, you can add in some more Maida. Now let's make the Manchurian balls. Heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil turns hot, make small balls from the vegetable mixture and drop them carefully into the oil. Keep the flame on medium and fry these Manchurian balls. The Manchurian balls should become crisp on the outside while it gets cooked completely from the inside. Hence, it's important that you maintain the flame on medium. Once they turn crisp and golden brown, remove them onto a kitchen towel to get rid of the excess oil. The Manchurian balls are ready. Now we will prepare the gravy. Into a pan, add in some oil. Once the oil turns hot, add in chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, chopped onion. Saute this for a couple of minutes. Now add in some green capsicum, some diced onion, and some spring onion greens. Saute this for a minute. Now for the seasoning, add in some salt, black pepper powder, dark soya sauce, some red chilli sauce, and some tomato ketchup. Give this a good mix. Now we will add in a cup of water and bring this to a boil. Check the salt and add in more if required. Let's prepare a cornstarch slurry by adding some water into cornstarch. Now pour the cornstarch slurry into the boiling gravy mixture. Mix this immediately so that it does not form any lumps. Now the gravy is ready. We will add in the Manchurian balls to this. Give this a good mix until they get coated with the gravy. You can then garnish it with some spring onion greens. The Veg Manchurian gravy is now ready to be served. This is an excellent side dish for any kind of fried rice, be it egg, veg, chicken, etc. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.